Recently, a 1-meter asteroid named 2024-1 entered Earth's atmosphere over the Philippines, lighting up the sky with a spectacular fireball. It was a breathtaking sight for those who witnessed it. But here's what makes it even more incredible. This asteroid was discovered just hours before it impacted. The fact that it was detected so close to impact demonstrates how effective our planetary defense systems have become. When questioned about this last-minute discovery, the European Space Agency shared their optimism. This detection is fantastic news, as it shows our planetary defense systems are improving. Unlike what we often see in sci-fi movies, Earth's planetary defense is not about preparing for alien invasions. It's about tracking, monitoring, and studying space rocks that could potentially collide with our planet. This asteroid is a great example of how we can now detect even small space rocks with only hours to spare. But imagine what happens when an even bigger asteroid is approaching. While our planetary defense systems are becoming more effective, there's still much work to be done. One of the biggest challenges facing scientists is detecting larger asteroids that are farther away and harder to spot with current technology. As the number of discovered near-Earth objects continues to grow, it's essential for global collaboration to enhance detection capabilities and develop strategies to prevent catastrophic events. The efforts to refine asteroid deflection techniques, such as NASA's DART mission, are crucial for the future. This technology could help redirect potentially hazardous asteroids away from Earth in time, preventing the destruction of major cities or ecosystems. Let's talk about Apophis, a 370-meter-wide asteroid that will make a close flyby of Earth in 2029. Now, before you start worrying, let's answer the most important question. Is Apophis on a collision course with Earth? No, rest assured, this asteroid will not hit our planet, but it will make one of the closest flybys we've ever witnessed from such a large asteroid. Let's explore why this is such an exciting event for scientists and skywatchers alike. The story of Apophis begins on June 19, 2004, when astronomers at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona spotted something unusual: a large asteroid about 450 meters across, roughly the size of 5 football fields. Initially named 2004 M4, the asteroid was later renamed Apophis, after the Egyptian god of destruction. Astronomers quickly realized that Apophis orbits the Sun in about 323 days, getting as close as Venus before heading out beyond Earth's orbit. But here's the catch: Apophis' orbit was calculated to bring it within striking distance of Earth. Early predictions gave it a 2.7% of impact on April 13, 2029. This elevated Apophis to the top of the list of potentially hazardous asteroids. From there, astronomers began carefully tracking its orbit to get an exact reading of its trajectory. But tracking an asteroid like Apophis isn't simple. For one, some years it's too close to the Sun from our point of view on Earth to be seen. And that's not the only complication. Every time Apophis passes near another object, gravitational forces can slightly alter its orbit. On top of that, there's the Yarkovsky effect. Sunlight hitting the asteroid causes it to warm up, and when it rotates, it releases heat, which can slightly push the asteroid in a different direction over time. Because of all these factors, determining Apophis' exact orbit was crucial. In 2013, astronomers got their first real opportunity to track it clearly. During its close approach to Earth that year, 14 million kilometers away, scientists were able to refine their data, ensuring that it would not impact Earth in 2029 or 2036. NASA confidently ruled out any risk of collision for the next 100 years. So what does this mean for April 13, 2029? That's when Apophis will make its closest approach to Earth, and the event will be one of a kind. April 13, 2029 will see Apophis pass Earth at 31,000 kilometers, closer than many of our geostationary satellites. It's an event that hasn't been seen in millennia. From regions in Europe, Africa, and Asia, this asteroid will be visible to the naked eye, offering an opportunity to witness one of the largest asteroids ever to pass so close to Earth. But don't be alarmed. Apophis isn't coming to destroy us. Instead, it's a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle that will be studied by scientists. This is a unique chance to learn more about planetary defense and to observe how an asteroid behaves as it passes by a massive gravitational body like Earth. During this close flyby, scientists are expecting to study how Apophis reacts to Earth's gravity. It could even undergo asteroid quakes or landslides phenomena that are unique to asteroids. In fact, NASA is already planning a dedicated mission to study Apophis. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, which recently returned asteroid samples from Bennu, has been redirected towards Apophis. Now renamed OSIRIS-APEX, it will be at the asteroid just as it passes Earth. The OSIRIS-APEX mission is a game-changer. It's set to provide unprecedented data on how Apophis behaves under the influence of Earth's gravity. Scientists are eager to see how the asteroid's structure holds up under stress. This data will be crucial for improving our planetary defense systems and for understanding how to defend against future asteroid threats. But the excitement doesn't end there. The NEA Scout project is sending small satellites to gather even more data as Apophis flies by. These tiny spacecraft will give scientists even more detailed information on the asteroid's composition, its rotation, and its overall structure. With this data, researchers hope to refine asteroid deflection techniques should we ever face a larger threat in the future. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We don't often get to see asteroids of this size pass so close to our planet, and the data collected will be invaluable not just for planetary defense, but also for understanding the broader dynamics of our solar system. By studying Apophis closely, we can gain insights into the origins of asteroids and how they may have influenced the development of our own planet. Additionally, this flyby will give scientists the chance to explore the bigger picture: how asteroids like Apophis could have played a role in shaping the early solar system. Could asteroids have contributed to the development of life on Earth, delivering organic materials or water to the planet's surface? This and other questions are on the minds of researchers as they prepare for the 2029 event. So, mark your calendars for April 13th, 2029, because this close approach of Apophis will be an unforgettable experience. Not only will it be an incredible sight to see, but it will also help scientists gather data that could shape the future of planetary defense and asteroid research. Let's be clear, Apophis is not a threat to Earth, so there's no need for alarm. Just get ready to witness history as this massive asteroid flies past us. If you're as fascinated by space as we are, don't forget to subscribe and become a member to keep up with the latest news and updates on this exciting event. Your support is what makes these incredible stories possible.